I'm going to try something I have never done before. My wife has been wanting a live edge bowl. We watch a couple of guys that do a lot of live edge bowls and on YouTube, and I have this piece of who knows what. It's got a pretty color on the other side. And I'm going to try to do it. We'll see what happens. The way I found my center, and now that I've lost it again, I think this is it here. The way I found my center was I clamped this nail into my vise, balanced the bowl on the nail as best as I could. Once I got what I thought was pretty darn close, then I used a hammer and banged the board into the nail a little bit to mark the center. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a flat spot. This is the first time I've done anything like this. It's looking alright. I gotta go a little deeper still. I think I'm at roughly 3/4 of an inch there. I don't have a measuring tool, I'm just using my fingers. Alright, so now comes the hard part. I need to take off that tenon in the back. Now, there's a guy that I watch, Shady Acres Woodworking on YouTube, and he does a trick. I don't have a big enough piece for it, I think, but I'm going to try it just the same, and we'll see how this works out. Let's hope I don't mess this whole thing up. So here goes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the bowl from the chuck, and I'm going to add just a I guess, I don't know what we'd call this, but it's just something that's going to hold its place. Then I'm going to insert the bowl between the end stock and the chuck. We'll see how that works. Alright, well, I think this came out okay. It's not perfect, but I think it came out right. Let's see what the boss says. Here, babe.
Wow.
Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.